Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make these beautiful earrings. I made them from really simple stuff, only seed beads and bicones. You could use round beads if you don't have bicones, but I think with bicones it looks just great. You could use Swarovski or other brand, whatever you like. So if you want to support me and make me do more videos, you could subscribe and be inspired often with my free content, and you could like, share and comment, and I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. You could also follow me in other social media like Pinterest, Instagram, and whatever you prefer. Thank you so much for watching. I will start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so for this video what you're going to need are 3 colors of 11 seed beads, and I'm using here bicones that are 6 millimeters. You could use Swarovski odd, or you could use cheaper one just to learn in the beginning, and you could use ear wires of your choice. I'm using here monofilament that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters. You could use scissors, but I'm using this instrument to cut closer to my work, and I squeeze my monofilament through my flat nose pliers so it easily goes through the size 10 beading needle that I'm using. If you use flat beading thread you won't need the pliers in this tutorial. So if you don't have bicones, you're free to use round beads, but I think it works really more beautiful with bicones. Okay, so now I will take about an arm span of thread on my needle, and I'll be back to show you what's coming up next. Okay guys, now I have about an arm span of thread on my needle, and I'm going to start by picking up 8 silver beads. Okay, and I have them here on my needle, my 8 beads, and I'm going to slide them down. Okay, I will stick my needle in my mat, and here I want to make a knot, and I will make a knot by making a loop. Then I will take my tail thread and I will go through this loop 2 times, once and then a second time. Then what I want to do is make sure that my thread is between those 2 beads where I started my knot from. I will push it to this side and I'm going to pull. Okay, now I have a circle of beads here, and what I want to do is go through some beads in this direction. If you want, you could go reinforcing this circle of beads here in the center. Okay, now I'm going to show you my next step. And for my next step I need red, black and red again. This is what I have, and as I'm exiting here, you see guys, I'm exiting out of this silver bead. I want to go through it with these 3 on my needle, and I'm going to pull. You see, I'm going in circle through this silver bead. Then what I want to do is exit through the next silver. Okay. Now this is what I have, and I want to take 1 red bead and 1 black bead. This is what I have on my needle, and I'm going through this red one here, and if you can, go through the next, through this silver back in circle, and through the next one in one movement. I'm going back in this red one from my previous circle of beads. Okay, just like that. That is why I'm taking only red and black and not red, black, red, because I'm using this one as my 3rd one, and I need 1 red and 1 black again. This is what I have, and I will go back through this red one here and through the next 2 beads, just like that. Okay, and I'm going to continue doing this until the end of this row. Okay, 2 beads, going back in circle through this one and through the following. And I will repeat this 3 more times, and I'm going to show you how I'm finishing this circle. Now I repeated this 7 times and I'm here at my last silver bead. Okay, I will go through it as well. This is my 8th silver bead. And I will go through this red one here. Okay, just like that. And now guys, in this step you can guess that I will add only 1 black bead, because I already have 2 red beads added. And I'm adding it and going back through the silver again in circle. So I have one and the same thing all around my circle here, but my elements share beads, so sometimes I add more, sometimes I add less. Okay, now I'm going through this red one and my goal is to exit through one of my blacks. And in my next row I'm going to add only silvers. Okay, 2 silver, going through the next black one, then again 2 silvers, going through the next black, and I'm going to repeat this until the end of this row, and when I'm ready I'll be back to tell you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and I'm here where I'm adding my last 2 silvers. Pay attention, when you add your last 2 silvers, go through this black one and not to the silver one there, because a lot of people make this mistake. Okay, so now go through these 2 silvers. And in my next row I'm going to add only black beads around my silvers, between my silvers. Okay, so I'm adding 1 here and I will add 8 of them between the silvers. Okay, and I'm going to continue this, and when I'm ready with this row I'll be back to tell you what's coming up next. Okay, and I'm adding my last bead from this row. If it was too fast for you, just pause this video, make this row, and then we'll be ready to continue. And now I'm exiting of these silver beads here, and I will go through this black one, and in my next row I'm also going to add one and the same thing, and this time it is silver, red, silver. Okay, this is what I have, and I'm going through this black one. I will show you 2 more times: silver, red, silver, going through the next black one, and then again silver, red, silver. Okay, going through the black one. Okay, and I'm going to continue, and I'll be back when I finish this row. Okay, and here I'm adding my last 3 beads from this row, and this time I will add only blacks again. Okay, I need 1 black, going through the next 3 beads, then I need 1 more black, going through the next 3 beads, then 1 more, going through the next 3, and I'm going to continue this, and I'll be back when I finish this row. Okay guys, and now I'm adding my last black bead from this row, and I want to exit here from my next black bead. And I'm gonna show you what I'm adding in my next row. I'm adding 1 black, 2 silvers, and 1 black, and this is what I have on my needle. And this way I'm forming my last two petals of my flowers here. Okay, then I need black, 2 silvers, 1 black. This is what I'm adding until the end of this row. Okay, you see the cute flowers that are showing. Black, 2 silvers, and black, and I'm going to the next one. So I'm going to do this off camera and I'll be back to show you what's coming up next. Okay, and now I'm adding my last 4 beads. Okay, and in my next step I'm going through this next red bead, black bead, sorry, next to my silver. See where my thread is here, between my black and my silver, and here I'm going to take 2 red beads, 1 black bead, and then again 2 red beads. This is what I have on my needle, and I'm going to the next black one. So I'm going from this black one through this black one here. Okay, then I'm gonna exit here out of my next black one, then I need 2 red beads, 1 black, and then 2 reds. Okay, this is what I have, and as I'm exiting from here I'm going through here. Okay, and I'm gonna show you one more time, going through these 2 blacks, taking 2 reds, 1 black, and then again 2 red beads, and I'm going through the next black one. Okay, now I'm going to continue this until the end of this row and I'll be back to show you what's coming up next. Okay, and now I'm adding my last beads from this row. And now guys, it's time to add my bicones, and in order to add them I want to go here to the top and go out of this black one. Now I need silver, only 1 silver, then I need a bicone and another silver, and this is what I have on my needle. And as I'm exiting here from this black bead, I'm going through the next one. Then I need silver, bicone and a silver, and I'm going through the next one. And you see, it's so easy. Now continue doing this and I'll meet you here. Okay guys, and now I'm here where I'm adding my last bicone, and what I want to do is take 1 silver bead, slide it down, then I'm going to take one of my ear wires, okay, let's say this one, and I want to slide it down as well. Okay, then I need 1 more silver bead, and I will go back through this central black bead. Okay, this is what I have. Now what I want to do is reinforce this part here, and in order to do this I will go one more time through this silver in the center, then back through these 2 beads here, back through the 2 silvers here, then one more time through this one and through the next silver. Okay. Now what I want to do is go through some beads in this direction, and in my last step I'm going to make some knots and cut my thread. And you could choose a place here at the edge or somewhere inside to make your knots, but what you have to do is make a loop and go once and second time through the loop you've made, then pull, and then guys continue doing this until you feel your work is secure and it's time to cut your thread. Okay guys, and when I repeated this process one more time, my earrings are ready. So if you like them, it's a good idea to subscribe and check out my next upcoming videos. If you want to support me and make me do more tutorials, like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And if you make beautiful jewelries, share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. You could also follow me on Instagram, Pinterest and other social networks that you could see down there in the description. So that was all from me. Bye bye.